Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. I also welcome you to another new series, that is on React framework. React is an open source front-end library to build UI. And as you all must be aware that React is being used widely and have multiple job opportunities, this series is going to be very helpful for anyone seeking opportunities in the same. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to set up Git in your system from scratch. Git is a version control system used widely for development purposes. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. Do watch the video till end, to get all the insights. So let's get started. This is the first part of Git setup. Open your browser and go to git-scm.com/downloads. There you will get options for different operating system. Click on Windows. It will start your download. Once it is downloaded, double-click on the exe file and click Yes when it asks for permission. Git Setup Wizard will open and click on Next. Click on Next then on Install. It will install Git to your system. Uncheck both options and click on Finish. Open Command Prompt and go to path where Git is installed. All command used are also available in description. Enter the command to check the Git version. Now we will configure Git. So enter next command and give your username in it. Similarly, enter next command followed by your email ID. And last command is to check if user and email is updated correctly. So, we have successfully installed and configured Git in our system from scratch. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.